In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sprout Social Scheduling, Smart Inbox Listening and Reports. We'll walk through a clean workflow that helps you plan posts confidently, publish at the right time, and set yourself up for strong reporting later. Start by opening Sprout Social and clicking Compose. This is your hub for drafting a post. Write a clear message that matches your brand voice, then add any media you want to include, such as images or videos. While you're in Compose, pick the social networks where you want the post to appear. Keep in mind that different networks favor different formats, so keep copy concise and visuals sized appropriately. If you're sharing across multiple networks, make sure your message works well in each place. Next, decide when the post should go live. You can choose a specific scheduled time, or, if your plan includes it, use Sprout's suggested optimal send times. These recommendations are based on historical engagement patterns and can give your post a better chance of being seen. When selecting a time, consider your audience's time zones and your broader campaign rhythm so that posts don't bunch up or compete with each other. As you schedule, apply tags or campaign labels. This is a small habit with a big payoff. Tags make it easy to analyze how different initiatives perform later in reports. Use a consistent naming convention so you can quickly filter by campaign or content theme. For example, you might distinguish between product launches, promotions, and educational content. Consistency here helps your future self understand what worked, what didn't, and where to invest next. Once your posts are scheduled, open the publishing calendar. This gives you a clear view of everything lined up by day, week, or month. The month view is great for long-range planning. The week view helps you balance cadence and coverage, and the day view is perfect for final checks. Scan for gaps where you might need to add content, look for clusters that could dilute performance, and confirm that each network is getting the right mix of posts. This calendar view is your command center for staying organized and on track. That's the core workflow. Compose your post, pick the right time, label it for easy reporting, and confirm it all in the publishing calendar. These simple steps make your scheduling smoother today and your reporting clearer tomorrow, helping you understand what resonates and plan smarter moving forward.